Hi, everyone. This is Mark Benson from Secure Fort AI. We're going to do a little demo of one of our products called Open Source Secure Multimodal AI Platform, or OSSMP. And what this allows you to do is have complete control over your own AI solution, from everything from containing the costs to making sure that you have role-based access to make sure people or departments see what they need to see and nothing's exposed to individuals in your company that shouldn't be seeing data that they're not privileged for. So I'd like to start off this demo just with Lennon describing some of the areas that he's most familiar with. Lennon?
Hi there. I was the main person setting up kind of either machines on my local network or for AWS. So I'm familiar with that. This open source multimodal platform will leave your data inside of your walls. Your data never leaves your walls. In custom chat GPTs, your sensitive information will have to go to external sources. The open source multimodal platform keeps all your data within your infrastructure. It protects proprietary information from being used to train competitors' models, and it deploys a air-gapped environment for maximum security. The next thing is that if you're going to put the upfront cost in capital, or you have some old machines laying around, you're going to have predictable cost, and there's going to be no surprises. I just did some research, and it's going to cost nearly $1,700 a month in order to have an AWS instance that will run at the same level as ChatGPT 4. However, you could run that similar model in-house on servers that you already own. This will eliminate unpredictable per token costs, such as if you're using the enterprise level ChatGPT for Open WebUI. This will remove subscription fees for API rate limitations. You can access your own machine as many times as you want, and you're not left up to some other company dictating how many accesses you have to your information. And then you can plan with confidence. You have that one upfront capital cost, or you're using an old machine. There won't be any operating cost after that. And then you can scale as needed. As your company grows, you can add machines, can keep that proprietary information in-house, and then there won't be any surprises.
All right. Another thing that the platform offers is complete model flexibility. So you're able to choose which models that you want to use for what circumstances. So say you have the marketing department and you found that DeepSeek really performs well with marketing type research and doing all that. You can give the marketing department DeepSeek, whereas say another department needs multimodal capabilities, you can give them Lava for image recognition, all of that. So you just have complete flexibility with what departments get what models. This also means that as new models come out, you can stay up to date with all the newest technology. And of course, this also eliminates dependency on specific models. So when you're using an enterprise ChatGPT, you're completely dependent on what OpenAI decides their policies are, what they decide they're doing technologically. Whereas with this platform, you can move around, you're free to choose whatever you want.
Another huge perk of the OSSMP system is that it has security measures that meet enterprise standards. So for, of course, like reasonably complex organization, you're going to have different departments that have access to different information, and built into the system, you can enforce departmental knowledge boundaries. So you can upload, maintain knowledge in the system that is used to augment responses from these models. And you can ensure that that knowledge doesn't cross over into organizations that it shouldn't be in. For instance, someone in sales accessing HR data, or someone in software accessing customer data that they shouldn't have, those sorts of things. So there is role-based access control that aligns with the company policies that is customizable by the system administrator. And there are also comprehensive audit logs that can be used to ensure that compliance requirements are being met. And so all of this really serves to ensure that there is no unauthorized access across any kind of organizational boundaries.
People who are especially interested in security and having reliable costs, not tied to a specific vendor. And so that's something that we'd like to talk to you about at Secure for AI. If you're interested in meeting those needs, we're a people first and AI forward company. So please reach out to get a preview of this product. Thank you.